2 point charges of plus 2 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb repel each other with a force of 12 Newton. If each is given an additional charge of minus 4 microcoulomb, what will be the new force? So in this question, we are required to find the new force. So let us write every piece of information which has been given to us in this question. So there are 2 point charges and they have given the charges. Q1 is plus 2 microcoulomb, then Q2 is 6 microcoulomb, and see they have given in microcoulomb. So we have to convert this to coulomb. Alright. So plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 will give us the charge in coulomb. This will be plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. They are repelling each other. Why do you think they repel? Because both of these are like charges. See, both of them have the same polarity. Sign is same. Because of which they will repel. With a force of 12 Newton. What is the force? Force is 12 Newton. If each is given an additional charge of minus 4 microcoulomb, what will be the new force? Well, before moving on to the second part, before moving to this part, let us first make an equation with all these information which we have written here. So we know that the equation for force is K Q1 Q2 by R square. Right? So let's just substitute all these values and then make an equation. So 12 is equal to K. I'm going to leave it as it is. K into Q1 is 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 6 into 10 raised to minus 6. R square we don't know. So let it stay as it is. Okay, so this is our first equation. Let this be our equation 1. Okay. Now, if each is given an additional charge of minus 4 microcoulomb. So this is our case 1. Now let us move into the case 2. Okay. So for case 2, Q1, what will be Q1 for case 2? For Q1 will be plus 2 microcoulomb minus 4 microcoulomb. Okay, plus 2 microcoulomb plus minus 4 microcoulomb. That will give us minus 2 microcoulomb. And that will be minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Then Q2 is plus 6 microcoulomb plus an additional charge of minus 4 microcoulomb. That would give us 2 microcoulomb. That is 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Now in the same way as we did in case 1, we have to frame an equation. F equals K Q1 Q2 by R square. Now let's just substitute all the values. F is what we have to find, so we don't know what it is. K into 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 by R square. And this is our equation 2. So we got 2 equations. Now what we are going to do is, we're going to divide 2 by 1. Okay, 2 by 1. Dividing equation 2 by 1. This is equation 2. That is equation 1. Now before we are going to divide, let us see if there is something which we can cancel out. So here let us just check if we have anything that can be cancelled. So here K can get cancelled because they are there in both the equations. So K I've cancelled from here, and from here I cancel K. Then 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 both gets cancelled. 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Then R square, as R square will also get cancelled. Then we have 10 raised to minus 6 and 10 raised to minus 6. That will also get cancelled. Okay, then we have, yeah, that's all. Then 6 and 2. So yeah, these two are divisible. So I am going to 2 by this will become 3. So we got 12 equals 3 after dividing. Equation 1, okay, equation 1 is 1 minute. So we have divided, right? I just didn't write all the steps, however, we have divided. So here equation 1 is like this, 12 equals 3, and equation 2 is F. Okay, F equals 1 here. So we are going to divide equation 2 by 1. I've done this because it will be more simple for you to get the answer. So this will become F by 12 equals 3 by 1. Sorry, F by 12 equals 1 by 3. F is equal to what? We just have to cross multiply or just take it to the other side. So we get F is equal to 3F is equal to 12. F is equal to 12 by 3, which is 4 Newton. This is the answer, 4 Newton. So what is the new, what will be the new force? The new force will be it will be 4 Newton. 4 Newton. This is the new force. Now if they they can also ask along with this another question which goes like this: what is the nature of the charge? Sorry, nature of the force, not charge. What is the nature of the force? That is, they are asking if it is attractive or if it is repulsive. So here what is the nature? What is the nature of this 4 Newton charge? Is it attractive or repulsive? See, here we know that like charges repel, unlike charges attract, right? We know that. Now just because here they have given it as repel, if you write it as repulsion, it's not correct. Okay, it's an incorrect answer. With respect to case 2, what is the charge? See, one side it is minus, other side it is plus. So one charge is unlike, and so these both are unlike charges. Why? Because one charge is negative and the other charge is positive. Polarity is not the same, and since the polarity is not the same, they are unlike charges. What is polarity? Just polarity means if both are positive, both these signs are different. So that is the polarity. Both the signs are same, so the polarity is same. If one is plus and one is minus, polarity is different. And if polarity is different, then the charges will attract each other. So here the charges will, what they will do? See, here we have minus and 1 plus. Polarity is different, so they will attract each other. So the nature of the force is attractive. Okay, and here in bracket if they ask, you just write it where you are writing, just write it here that the nature of the force is attractive. Attractive because one charge is plus, other charge is minus. Alright, so this is how we do this question. I'll explain once again. We have to, we're taking two cases. In the first case, what I did was I just framed an equation with all the information that has been given, that is without adding an additional charge. So I made an equation 1. Now with case 2, after adding all the additional charges, I again framed another equation number 2. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide equation 2 by 1. So when I divided equation 2 and 1, k got cancelled. 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 got cancelled. 10 raised to minus 6 got cancelled. 6 and 2 got cancelled. R square also got cancelled. Now all that is left was f by 12. F by 12 equals 1 by 3. Now on making f alone, it became like this. 3f equals 12, f equals 12 by 3, which is 4 Newton. And if they ask what is the nature of the force, you can write it as it is attractive, because see here one charge is minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Here one charge is plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Well, if you see in this case here, both charges are positive. That is why they've given here it as they are repelling each other. Okay, that's all. So if you have any queries or any doubts in this from this question, please do post your questions in the comment section. I'll surely reply to your queries and doubts. And if you clearly understood it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends. Thanks a lot, and let's see you in the next class. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.